Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: 8 Mile Bethany Society of Giant Hills organizes awareness program We Ring the Bell campaign to highlight the rights of persons with disabilities. Meghalaya Cricket Association will organize cricket tournament for senior citizens Men Challengers Cup 2022 at Polo Ground in Shillong. Capacity building training on packaging of pottery organized for the farmers of Larnai and Tirshang village. And 2 arrested for possession of contraband substances in South Garo Hills. And now the news in detail. 8 Mile Bethany Society of Giant Hills yesterday organized an awareness program titled We Ring the Bell campaign to exert the rights of people with disabilities. The program was held at Lat Thalabo Indoor Hall, Jowai, where the speaker said that the persons with disabilities have the right to get education, proper health care and employment. On this day, the people with disabilities carrying placards took out a procession from Lat Thalabo Community Hall to Yautthame Market. Speaking on the occasion, one of the members of 8 Mile Bethany Society said,
Education for children with disability. But I can joke for by Kang program, focus SMC, school management committee. Wa uegi yagalat quality na banda kineki parents yung children with disability ya member have to the SMC nang wa member gani the SMC kineki Monday.
A 2 days capacity building training on packaging of pottery for the farmers of Larnai and Tirshang village was organized by the Office of the District Industries Commerce and Industry Centre Jowai at High Winds Hotel Thatlasken, West Giant Hills District. The 2 days training started off on the 25th of March 2022 and concluded today, the 26th of March 2022. The inauguration function was attended by Additional Deputy Commissioner Shri P.K. Boro as the chief guest and Deputy Director, Commerce and Industry Centre Shillong Meghalaya Shri M.L. Wanchnong was the guest of honour. The program is conducted by the Institute of Packaging Kolkata Centre, supported by Department of Commerce, Ministry of Commerce and Industries, Government of India in collaboration with Government of Meghalaya, Commerce and Industries Department.
To train them so that in future they'll be able to make their skills very viable. And they'll be able to, I think, export the finished products to the outside the state. I'm very glad to inform you that our district has already been very popular under one district, one product. You know it, which is Lakadong, turmeric. Now, without middlemen, the Lakadong turmeric, it directly goes to the buyer. Same thing, today I am glad to know that 5 products from one district will be sold and will be done packaging. Now we are having 2 products in our Vegetal district and I am very proud.
The people of Elaka Shangpung and Elaka Nartiang rejoiced when the Giant Hills Autonomous District Council yesterday announced that Changki Langbang and Salong Lamare have been elected as the new traditional heads called Doloi of these 2 Elaka respectively. The counting of votes was held at MDC Hostel in Jowai under tight security. Meghalaya Cricket Association will organize a cricket tournament for senior citizens Men Challengers Cup 2022 at Polo Ground in Shillong from the 28th of this month. Nokre Tigers, Mintru Lions, Simper Panthers, Umyam Eagles and Kasimsang Sharks have confirmed their participation. Speaking to the media, the Honorary Secretary Gideon Kharkongor said the tournament will encourage others to play the game of cricket.
Day limba kini ki tournament kabangi organize kaban ai galat ki player bidrongi ki bani lakai ki tournament ki repair วันนี้เป็นล้มรูปยากาวันลง competitive บัดบริมีกว่าบัน organize หากเดียร์ก็มาคำเฮรูขณะบางยินเป็นอีบางยิงอีละบัน organize ที่ tournament ที่บักคำเฮหากก็กับบัชมกุนกับอิตนันบัดกับบัน attract รูคำบนกิบเรียวอามารอีสองตัวยังจิงละกาย cricket kadang guna ka jela ka jongi ngidang dan kam ban pin sapriang ni ka jela kai cricket jaki nong kondong ni jongi te limba gini ki jingle ka jongi te lese ki bapun ki ban yo I ka ne ka jela kai.
After receiving credible information on the selling of contraband substances at Zadi area, South Garo Hills district, the Anti-Narcotic Task Force team conducted a search operation and was able to apprehend one suspected person, namely MD Kasham Ali, 22 years, a resident of Dhubri, Assam, and on his lead, one Bolero pickup bearing registration number AS14C8239 was detained along with the driver, namely Shri Amirul Islam, also a resident of Dhubri, Assam. On thorough search of the vehicle, 500 bottles of the banned substance Fencidril were recovered and seized accordingly, and a case has been registered under the Nong Al Bebra PS case number 0303-2022 under section 22C 29 of the NDPS Act. IPS officer of South Garo Hills, Shri Rituraj Ravi, said that the police team have been able to apprehend the people involved in the connection of smuggling the drugs. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.